Just so shell and millie, class and give a really. So guys, today is my first day ever trying to play a guitar. Yeah, I have had a guitar in my hands before, but I haven't really played a guitar. So here I have a nice Telecaster that I'm going to be learning how to play. And here I have a multi-effect pedal. I don't know. My brother recently updated his gear, so he gave me this one. And gave me some effects and told me how to operate this thing a little bit. So yeah. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be learning or attempting to learn Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones, because if you have a Telecaster you must learn a tune by the Rolling Stones, isn't it? Another thing that is very important is that I play guitar with my fingers. When I play bass I play with my fingers. This is going to be challenging. This is going to be very challenging. Welcome! Can't get no satisfaction. Okay, so oh my god, I feel like just doing it like this. Bassist. When you're a bassist and you try to play guitar. Okay, let's try once more with this. This is important. I need to learn how to use this. Play a different effect. Let's try this one. Oh my god! I feel like Keith Richards! Did you hear that? Oh my god. Maybe not. Maybe not. I can get along. I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied for today.
Why you so silly?